checking ski alignment. It is, so in my manual for the Polaris it says to run a straight edge along the side of the track and then measure up to the ski from that straight edge. So I don't really have a straight edge that's long enough for that, but what I am using is a piece of plywood. Take a look at it, take a look, you can tell me whether or not I'm doing this right or not, because I really have no clue. Hey, welcome. I'm going to put a small series together here called, we'll just call it the 91 Super Jag project. And really what we're going to do is we're going to be looking as I try to attempt to restore 1991 Arctic Cat Super Jag. So, you see my track? I put this board running right along the track. And then I measured from the leaf spring to the board, both in the front and the back. Now, looking at it this way, this is kind of nice with this thing. I'm gonna take a look and see, is this parallel? Appears to be kind of parallel. But when we went to this side, this one was out. And it would indicate that it was towed in. So what I will do, I'm gonna put this on the tripod, I'm gonna do a quick little check so I can see what I'm doing with the camera here. That'll tell me whether I've got this right or not. So, alright, so we're taking a look here. Just checking the ski alignment in the manual. Check the adjustment when the steering is replaced. Turn the handlebars straight ahead position. Make sure the adherence to the outside edge. Leaf springs. Measure one measurement is taken behind the front mount bracket. The other is taken ahead of the rear mount bracket. Just over 5 1/4. I think I'm about an eighth to a 16th over. If I go here, I am. I am 5. Where am I here? I am 5 1/4. And we are 4 3/4. 5 3/4. So I've done both of those. And I kind of wrote down, like I said, 31 1/4 and 32 1/2 was what I measured. So the front one here was 31 1/4. The back one was 32 1/2. Ski alignment is correct when the skis are parallel to each other, front and rear, and when the skis have a maximum 1/4 inch toe out, front measurement 1/4 inch more than the rear measurement. And I've got the back. I have them. Of the back, I have it towed in, so I have the back wider than the front. So I need to adjust, and when I sit here and I look at these two, this one is towed in 1/4, but this one's towed in, almost 1/2 inch. So that's giving me my difference. So. Give me the instructions over here. Adjust the ski by rotating the adjusting stud, rotating the mag side stud clockwise will tow out the ski, whereas rotating the PTO side clockwise will tow in the ski. So try to remember that when I start looking in the machine, and we'll fix this. Now, take a little measurement, see how we're doing here. Alright, well, saved you the fiddling. Anyways, finally found a use for these little stubbies. Down in here. Okay, we're going to do a quick measurement. I just did a measurement. I'm pretty sure I'm bang on. Alright. So, under the ski, okay. So we are 31 and 3 quarters, just over 31 and 3 quarters. About a back. And we are 8 shy, 16th shy of 32 inches there. So we measure here. We're within a 1/4 inch. So, just got to tighten the bolt down in there, tighten the jam nuts down. But we did it. We, our skis are within a 1/4 inch of each other, measured off the leaf springs. Woohoo! Whew. I think we'll call that a day this morning. Anyways, 6 o'clock, probably just about time for supper. So, that's fun. That's it today. If I get ambitious, maybe later today, I'll try to pop the skid, flip it over, drain the gas, get the skid out, and then we'll start doing some bearings. Not looking forward to that, to be completely honest, but gotta do it.